feel like we were like standing here next to her.
Yeah.
No, that was yeah.
Smile, boys.
So Bear, how's your time been? Still sleeping on the job?
Yeah.
Makes me think of Brer Bear.
Yeah.
Splash Mountain. Sadly, now it's Sing Splash Mountain.
Can you guys be honest with me? Am I as heavy as that guy?
No.
Gosh, I feel like I am.
No, this.
Who is this guy, Lincoln?
Bear.
There's a Space Needle. See up top?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Walking down Gatlinburg here. It's a beautiful day. Oh, I've always wanted to do one of these pictures.
You actually get in the costumes.
Yeah.
You just like paste your face.
Oh, no. You get the costumes.
Cool.
Hey, Lincoln, look at that big ape. Look at that monkey. Look at the ape.
I feel like nearby is gonna be that rock that we always go to.
It is. Touch your hand. Touch his hand. Touch his hand.
Don't make it look. This is the statue.
Look here, Eddie. All right, record. Where we at, Ethan?
Here we are at Chicken Guy, which is a restaurant owned by Guy Fieri. And we're waiting on our food. We got 5 tender combo. Each of us got a 5 tender combo, and each comes with 2 signature sauces. Excited to try them.
What'd you get?
I got the special sauce, Nashville hot sauce.
I got buttermilk ranch and the Nashville hot. I might be regretting the hot. Look at all the sauces they have.
22 sauce.
What'd you get, Brady? You're always a daring man.
Buttermilk ranch.
And what else?
That's it.
Buttermilk ranch? All right. Mama?
Same.
All right. What'd you get, Lincoln? What did you get? Chicken?
Wait, you guys have a meal?
No, but he did get fried. All right. Good? What do you think? What do you think, Brady?
Good.
You like it, Lincoln? All right, guys, Chicken gave us a $3 card. Brady is going to spend it.
Balls and then if I try to cook 50 balls, I could get the jacket.
Go for it then. It's only $1.
Oh, Brady, let's do it.
Oh, do you want to play right now?
Or basketball.
Games over. I don't know.
Go. You got to do more than one at a time. Sorry. Yeah, time's remaining. Told ya.
I don't know how many I landed.
Did you get anything? Maybe you could buy like a piece of belly button lint. You got 20 tickets. Do it again. All right, Professor Luck again. Now it's Ethan's turn.
Just keep tagging for multiple.
Don't push it, Brady. How'd you do, Lincoln?
Just as good as me.
Good jobby. Here you go. Ready? There you go.
I got it here.
Watch out for that bear, Link. So Brady bought a bottle of like, what is it called?
Candy shots. I don't know why.
It's like a bottle of goo.
Mm-hmm. Tastes good, but it's real sticky.
Does it actually taste good?
Yeah, it tastes like
You
apple.
want some?
No, you don't.
I like a sour apple.